A very good day to all of you from Team Wordaholics and Amit Kumar Mehta. If you are new to this particular channel and if you have not subscribed it, please do subscribe it because we keep on sending 5 difficult words, 5 English vocabulary words which are very, very important for you so that you can sound sophisticated in your work life environment and score more in various competition exams like CAT, SAT, GRE, GMAT, SSC, Banking, UPSC. Since 2015, we have been helping our students sound sophisticated and score more. Students include our housewives, working executives, and anybody who is curious about learning English language. So we'll be quickly moving on to the words for the day. These are 5 words which you must absolutely know today, which will help you, create an impression in front of people. So the 5 words, starting with rattled. Rattled basically means unnerved, disconcerted, totally disturbed. Pareshan ho jana would be a Hindi. Antony would be calm and at peace. Pronunciation is rattled. Rattled. So what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time? Look at the visual that we have provided. There is a rat and the person in front of the rat is totally startled, is surprised. So imagine an invasion of rats into your house. If a very large number of rats come into your house, what will happen? You will become rattled, you will get surprised, you will become disturbed that what is the next nuisance that they are going to create. So that is how you remember the word rattled from the word rat. Now, what are the various usages? Not too rattled by the chaos. Rattled Republic. Sentence 1. Mercedes and Audi have been approaching customers with pre-budget deals who are rattled by the news of prices going up. Customers are rattled by the news that the prices of cars are going up. Sentence 2. The latest plunge in the stocks might have been triggered by a combination of events that rattled investors across the globe. Certain events rattled the investors, disturbed the investors across the globe. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the second word for the day. The second word, and this is my favorite word for the day, is ravenous. Ravenous basically means very hungry, starving, greedy, gluttonous, voracious. Hindi would be bhukha ya hinsak. Antonym is full. When you are not ravenous, your stomach is full. Pronunciation ravenous. So what is the Wordaholics way? I hope the visual itself is very, very absolutely clear of what the word means. Imagine you are very hungry and you're eating like Ravan. Ravan was a demon in Ramayana. Now, if you are eating like Ravan, then you are ravenous. You are very hungry, you are starving, you are greedy. That is how you remember ravenous for a very, very long time, permanently into your memories. What are the various usages? Ravenous appetite. India is a ravenous buyer of oil. Sentence 1. As a ravenous meat eater, Asit was sure that he would be able to finish the entire hamburger in 2 minutes. He was so hungry, Asit could eat the entire hamburger in 2 minutes. Sentence 2. The antelope is showing dragged to death by a group of ravenous dogs shown in the clip on National Geographic. On National Geographic, it was shown that a group of ravenous dogs, hungry dogs, starving dogs, pulled and dragged to death an antelope. Sentence 3, 4 and 5 you can do on your own by pausing this video. We'll be moving on to word number 3 for the day. The word number 3 is rebuttal. Rebuttal basically means counter argument, denial, disapproval, negation. Hindi would be असहमति. जब आप किसी के साथ सहमत नहीं होते हैं तो अपना जो आप पक्ष रखते हैं, that is basically rebuttal. Antonym is confirmation. Pronunciation rebuttal. Now, how do you remember this particular word for a very, very long time? Look at the word rebuttal. It has been underlined into 3 different parts. You are giving a reply, but all. Reply, but all. Now, with your reply, all are not satisfied. You are giving a reply, but all are not satisfied with that particular reply is what the meaning of rebuttal is. Because why is that happening? Why are others not happy with your argument? Because you are giving a counter argument. You are not supporting the argument, you are giving a counter argument. And that is why rebuttal is not liked by the other parties. So what are the various usages? 5,000 word rebuttal. Rebuttal to his critics. Sentence 1. Parties have sought prosecution of Raj Thackeray for his hate speech, plus also evoking a strong rebuttal from the MLAs in Bihar. Sentence 2. In an apparent rebuttal, Hrithik tweeted, "There are more chances of me having an affair with the Pope than any of the women in the media has been naming." Ritik was giving his rebuttal, counter argument against what the media was talking about. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own. Moving to the fourth word for the day is recrimination. Recrimination. What is the meaning? It means allegation, accusation, counter charge. You're putting a charge against someone, that is recrimination. Hindi would be आरोप लगाना, उल्टा दोष किसी को देना. Antonym would be flattery and praising. When you're singing praises for somebody, that is the opposite of recrimination. So what is the mnemonic? Look at the visual that we have provided and look at the word criminal. The root word in this particular word is criminal. When you are trying to create a criminal, when you're trying to tell that somebody is a criminal, when you recriminate someone, you accuse someone, you allege someone of being a criminal. So look at the particular visual that we have provided. Four of these people are trying to tell one man that you are a criminal. You have done something wrong, and that is recrimination for you. What are the various usages? Mutual recrimination, useless recrimination. Sentence 1. This isn't time for recrimination and blame. This is time to stick together and represent India in the best possible way, said the coach to his team. The coach was telling to his team, don't fight among yourself, don't play the blame game, don't blame each other. This is time to fight together as a team. Sentence 2. Instead of living in self-recrimination, if you miss your targets, refocus on your goal. You are only human. So don't recriminate yourself, don't self-deprecate yourself, don't put yourself down, don't go into depression if you are not achieving your targets. Don't recriminate yourself, don't blame yourself. Life is very long and you will eventually arrive at your goal. You are only human. That is what the sentence means. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be quickly moving on to the last word for the day. The last word for the day is rectitude. Now it contains two different words. Rectification kind of a word, if you imagine the shortened version of rectification, and attitude. So what is the meaning of rectitude? Righteousness, virtue, morality, somebody having principles. A man of principles is a man of rectitude. Honesty, ethics. Hindi would be sadgi and imandari. Rectitude is somebody who is sadgi, who has sadgi in life and who has very imandar in life. Antonym is dishonesty. What are the pronunciation? Is rectitude. It's absolutely clear from the word itself, rectitude. So what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time? The visual way, the mnemonic way, and the underlining method. Look at the word rectitude. I told you it's composed of two different parts. First part looks like it's a small curtailed version of rectification, and the other part looks like it's a combination of attitude. So if you have the attitude of rectification, rectifying yourself every time you do an error, you are a person of virtue, you are a person of morality, you are a person of principles. So you have the attitude to rectify yourself every time. So what are the various usages? Financial rectitude, signs of rectitude. Sentence 1. History suggests that fiscal rectitude goes out of the window when general elections are on the horizon in India. So the principle of not spending too much goes out of the window when elections comes. Most of the parties spend a lot on elections. So fiscal rectitude of saving totally goes out of the window. Sentence 2. The country expects high level of performance as well as high levels of integrity and rectitude from its politicians. The country and the voters expect rectitude, principles, morality, virtue from their politicians, which probably is missing. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own by pausing this video. With that, we have reached the end of the presentation for the day. And as I keep on saying, keep sounding sophisticated, keep scoring more. And if you have a friend, if you have a relative, if you have a colleague, if you have anybody whom you think these words can, actually impact them, please do ask them to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on the particular YouTube link so that they can receive the notifications. See, we are fortunate to have attended good private English medium schools, but not everybody in India was and is. So this one share that you can do of this particular word will probably solve that crisis for English language crisis for those students. Keeping that in mind, please do share these words. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure interacting with you.